To make a buttermilk pancake, we need to have all-purpose flour, sugar, baking soda, baking powder, and salt, eggs, and melted butter, and buttermilk. Mix all dry ingredients together. And then when you finish mixing it, the dry ingredients, set it aside. Mix melted butter with eggs and buttermilk. Stir it together. Then mix wet and dry ingredients together. Stir it together until it mix. And then now you gonna set a pan in over a medium heat in the stove. Pan. And then you're gonna put the butter, melted a little bit of butter on the stove. And then when the stove is hot enough, you're gonna put the pancake batter down in the stove. In the pan. When the pan is hot enough, you can put the batter of the pancake down. And it depends the size up to you. And then wait until it bubble. The bubble is up, and then we will see. About 1 minute or 1 to 2 minutes. See the bubble? When you have more bubble than this bubble like this, you can flip the pancake. The bubble, then we flip it. 1, 2, 3, go. Bubble. Boom. This is the second batch. It's better, the color of the pancake, and boom. And the bubble, and then flip it. 1, 2, 3. Yes. We're done.